Hello guys, welcome to pcdrills, where you find help on how to handle your PC related issues. Today we are going to take a look at how we can download and install WhatsApp on our Windows 10 PC. So we are going to take a look at how we can get the installation file, install it, and configure some basic WhatsApp functions on our Windows machine. So here we are using Windows 10. So let's head over to our browser and start some work. So on our browser, we will simply have to search for WhatsApp. And then we choose the first option for whatsapp.com. Then from there, we are going to get our desktop application. Once on the WhatsApp website, we'll simply scroll down a little and we'll find the Mac or Windows PC option. Simply have to click on that option and then we wait. So depending on your own PC, you will know the option you have to choose. Since we are using Windows, I'll simply choose my Windows, and on the next page where we have the download, the whatsapp.com/download page, I'll simply have to click on download for Windows 64-bit. Here it recognizes the operating system of my machine, so I'll simply have to click on it to proceed. So if you add but Mac OS, here is your option beneath. So let's just move over to our Windows while we need, and we click on a download for Windows 64-bit. Once that's done, we save the file by clicking on the option Save File. And when you click on Save File, the installation file starts downloading. So we simply have to wait for the installation file to complete downloading and we install and set it up. So see you when it's downloaded. Now that we have completed with our download, you can simply click on this folder icon to open the containing folder of the file we have just downloaded. Since it's just an exe file, you simply have to double click on it to start the installation process. Now that it has loaded, here's what we get. And you simply have to wait for this screen to complete installation and then you continue. So the app is still under the installation process. Now the installation process is completed. You can read from here. They say to use WhatsApp on your computer. 1, open WhatsApp on your phone. 2, open menu settings, WhatsApp web on your phone to this screen to capture the code. And that's exactly how we are going to do it, because for WhatsApp to be working on your PC, you don't have an option for you to put your phone number. You simply have to scan using your phone for it to work. So that's how you are going to do it. There's no other option for you to sign into WhatsApp on PC. So there's keep me signed in option under this code, which means all the time you switch on your machine, you can just connect without having to scan the code all the time. So if you are using this on another person's machine, maybe at the office, someone's machine that's not yours, you have to uncheck this option such that all the time you will have to scan for a new code. So I scan my code using my own WhatsApp, and once scanned, I simply have to wait for it to load on PC. No options to select and nothing to click. Just simply have to wait for it to load up on my machine. Now you can see the WhatsApp version of my PC has been set up, so it's good to go. I can start using it. Here are my various chats. Simply have to click on any of them to use it. So I can also do some settings and then also view some status. Here you can see status. You click here to view various status. You click here to create a new chat, and you click here for more options like new group, create a room, profile, and the rest. So let's take a look at the settings for this WhatsApp. For the settings, you can see for the notifications, you can select whether you should make some sound, any desktop alerts, previews or not. Here there are ticks showing that it will display some notifications. Here we can click here to disable all of them, or either we click on each of them for customization and selection of which one to disable or not. So that's what these options do for us for notification. Here we also have the theme, the wallpaper, which will show the background of each chat, how it should look like. We have blocked, the number of contacts you have blocked, and you have other desktop settings. So for the desktop settings, you have start WhatsApp at login. You can click on it or not, depends on you. We also have chat wallpaper, which gives the color of your background, or you could put a photo if you wish. So you can also edit your about by clicking here or changing your own name. That's where we do that. And you can type your messages simply by clicking on any of the chats you have on your machine. When you click, you simply have to type and hit enter for it. And for WhatsApp, there's no option for you to stop auto download on your WhatsApp for PC. So as for now, no option, but will be available sometime, I think. So I just wish WhatsApp adds the feature, because I don't see it actually. Well, with all that being done, I think that's all for this tutorial. And if you have any other questions or suggestions, I hope you will likely reach out for the answers or the comment section. We hope we see you on our next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please share and recommend with others. Like, subscribe, and please click the notification bell to receive further notifications on our new uploads. See you next time.